Hello everyone, this is Danny Lawrence. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to review Vicks StarryNight Cool Moisture Humidifier. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, now let's see what's in the box. There is one sample vapor pads, few coupons, and the instructions how to use the humidifier. Okay, let's take out the plastic from the humidifier and let's see what is in there. See the top part, that's called projector cover. Then it's projector lens. So in the bottom part you see there are two switches. The left one is for the projector power switch and the right one is for the humidifier power switch. The part I'm holding, that's called the water tank. And this is the projector cover and the projector lens. That's the water tank, and that's the handle to take out the water tank. That's the filter, tank cap gaskets, tank caps, filter tray. That's the filter tray. Yeah, you can take it out, you can clean. And the two main switches, one for the light and another for to turn on and off the humidifier. So the first step will be soak the filter. So we have to remove the tank and set it aside. So then we have to remove the filter from the humidifier and we have to soak the filter in cold water. So and make sure you do not ring the filter. So now I'm going to fill up the tank with the water. So you have to just twist the thing so it will open easily. Now you can put cool water there and fill it up and twist it back to close that, and it will replace back to the humidifier. Please do not use any hot water when filling humidifier, and also do not add any essential oils, medication or inhalant liquids to the water tank such as Vicks vapor steam. Doing so could cause damage to the humidifier and void that warranty. Here is the water tank with full of water. There is one sample vapor pad comes with the humidifier. So let's open it very carefully. And make sure do not touch the pad with the hands. If pad is touched, do not rub face or eyes as it may cause irritation. Insert the scent pad with the angled side facing downward into the scent pad slot. You can use the bag as a holder. So here is the water tank which is already filled out with the water. So now I'm going to place the tank back on the humidifier. Once the filled water tank has been placed on the unit, do not move the humidifier. Doing so could cause leakage and spill. To avoid any kind of spill, I just used a towel so that it can soak all the extra water. With the power switch in the off position, plug the filled humidifier into a polarized 120 volt outlet. Do not force the polarized plug into the outlet. It will only feed one way. Do not plug in the humidifier with wet hands to avoid electric shocks. There is 2 fan speed, high and low. High means maximum moisture and low means nighttime sound sleep mode.